Nadia from WPFunnels. Today I show you a popular one-time offer tactic, which is upsell offer on more quantity. We all know that quantity-based offers works really well, especially in the e-commerce industry. If you make a good discount offer on higher quantities of a product, people are more likely to purchase it. For example, if someone is about to purchase 2 chocolate bars from your shop, then you make him an offer to buy 10 at a 15% discount. Now the question is, how should you make this offer? If you run a same promotion site-wise that buying any product on higher quantities will include a discount, that won't be an ideal approach because different products earn you a different amount of money. Now the best approach here would be to make an upsell offer on higher quantities right after checkout on specific products. Now what you have to do is choose a few categories that are more likely to sell in higher quantities in your store. Once you have chosen the category, then you need to set up a funnel where once a buyer purchases a product from that category, he will be offered an upsell to buy higher quantities of that product in a special discount. And you have to make sure to include in the copy that this offer is available for only one time. Alright, now let's see how you can create this upsell offer in your sales funnel easily. As you can see, I'm on the WordPress dashboard right now, and to implement this funnel, I'm using WPFunnels. You can also use WPFunnels to create sales funnel or lead generation funnel easily on WordPress. It has a special global funnel add-on which you can use to create conditional funnel which will initiate from WooCommerce checkout. Now let's implement the funnel that I have explained you in the tactic. To create your first funnel, click on this option. Here you will see different templates, but you'll choose the one that goes with your niche or the product you are selling. So right now I'm just gonna choose this template. If we go to the steps, you will see an overview of all the steps. So this funnel has a landing, checkout, upsell and thank you. Let's import the funnel. And it will take you to the funnel canvas where you can plan your funnel visually. So you see there's the landing, checkout, upsell and thank you. So here is a conditional node, but as we are creating the funnel based on the WooCommerce checkout condition, we will delete this condition. Alright, so now I will connect the checkout step to the upsell step. So to initiate any funnel from WooCommerce checkout, you need the global funnel add-on. Let's enable global funnel option. You see now the landing has been disabled because this funnel will initiate from the WooCommerce checkout. You will set a condition. If that applies to WooCommerce checkout, this funnel will be redirected. Now let's select the checkout step and go to the configuration and select our preferred condition. So here you will see the option enter funnel if. If you select here, you will see there are different conditions. As we are creating the upsell offer based on the product category selected at WooCommerce checkout, so I am just gonna select the first option, which is product category is. That means whatever category you add here, if a person's product in the checkout is in that category, this funnel will be initiated. So I have a category in my WooCommerce store that is summer clothing, where I sell basically t-shirts. So I will add the summer clothing category in the funnel. So if someone has a product in the checkout that is from the summer clothing category, he will be offered the upsell. So here you can see the discounts type. You can keep it in the original price, or if you want, you can apply a percentage. This is totally up to you. I'm gonna leave it right now and save the changes. That's it. You have set the condition right now. That means the funnel will be initiated. Now the next step is to decide your upsell offer. For that, select the upsell option and go to the configuration option. So here you will choose your offer. So if you click on here, you will see different options. So as we are offering more quantity on the product selected, I'm gonna choose this option. This is more quantity of the main product in the cart. That means whatever product he has in the cart, he will be offered higher quantities with a special discount. So here you can select the quantity. For example, I'm offering 3, and here you can set the discount. Let's say I want to offer 20% discount. So I'll add 20 here. So once we have done the setting, you will save the changes. Now your checkout condition and upsell offer are set. But one thing to remember that you need to design the upsell page and checkout page as per your WooCommerce store. So now let's edit the checkout page. For that, select the checkout step and click on the edit option. And this will open up in your preferred page builder. As you can see, this is opening up in Elementor because I prefer using Elementor. You can use Divi, Oxygen, Gutenberg, whatever page builder you prefer. So this is the checkout page. You can edit every single section here. You can change the title, the image, you can change the checkout layout, basically every single thing. You will come to this page and edit the page with the vibe of your WooCommerce store. Alright, once you are done, you will click on update to save the changes. Now you will select the upsell step and go to the edit option. So this is the upsell step. Here you will design the page according to your WooCommerce store and make sure you promote here that purchasing on higher quantity with a special discount will available only for today because we are giving a one-time offer. Alright? Now once you are done with setting the conditions and designing your funnel pages, you are good to go. Let me show you the funnel in action. For that, let me go to my WooCommerce store. Here this product is the summer clothing category, so I'll add this product into the cart. Let me view the cart. Let's proceed to checkout. You see the funnel has been initiated. So if someone places an order, he will be redirected to the upsell page where you are promoting the product in higher quantities. So if he accepts the option, he will be redirected to the thank you page where more quantities, he will be redirected to the thank you page. So that's it. That's how easily you can create a sales funnel and offer an upsell on more quantities. That's it for today. See you in my next video.